the topic is now the topic is acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. Means what? Suppose let us grab it. At time t1, your velocity was u. Okay, clear? At certain time, your velocity was u. At time t2, your velocity approached to v. Okay, so this is called as a initial velocity, we can say. This is called as a final velocity. So change of velocity. How much changed? V minus u. Clear? Time taken for this. Suppose time taken for this. Time taken. That is, I'll take t. That is t2 minus t1. This is particular time. 10, 15. Suppose 10, 30. These are the time. Like this time. This t gives the gap between these two. Time interval. Okay. T2 minus T1 gives the time interval. So now rate. In a T time it changes V to U. In 1 unit time, that is the rate of change of velocity. So acceleration is equal to, denoted by A, small a, is equal to change of velocity by time taken. So that will give you the rate of change of velocity, that is V minus U by T2 minus T1, that is simply you can write V minus U by T, single symbol. Hope I am clear. So we got A is equal to V minus U by T. If we will do the cross multiplication, little up I'll write. So we got A is equal to V minus U by T. Do the cross multiplication. AT is equal to V minus U. V is equal to U plus AT. This is a relation between, to get the final velocity, if you know the acceleration, time for traveling, and initial velocity. I hope I'm clear. Now, okay, good. Unit of acceleration. Unit of acceleration. So SI unit first we will calculate. SI unit of A means acceleration. That is, what is the formula? Unit of A is equal to V minus U. V minus U by T. That I can write in a symbol, single symbol. Delta B means change of velocity. This symbol is delta. Delta B by T. Change of velocity by time. So unit of change in unit of change of velocity by unit of time. What is the SI unit of change of velocity? What is the speed of velocity? What is the unit of velocity? SI unit. What is the SI unit of velocity? Anybody? Just today. Meter per second. Time is second. So it will become a meter per square second. Or you can write a meter per, like this also. Practice of writing like this is better and acceptable. Why, my dear? Meter per second by second. Second will go up. Again it will be square meter per square second. Clear? CGS unit centimeter per square second. Or clear? So hope this, up to this much it is clear. Now acceleration is a change of velocity. Did I say increase or decrease? Did I say it is increasing or decreasing? A change of velocity. Velocity may increase also, velocity may decrease also. Yes or no? So, if, okay, now positive acceleration. This is acceleration, positive acceleration. When positive acceleration will be there, it is, so we know A is equal to V minus U by T. If V is greater than, if V is greater than U, then it is positive, then implies that A is positive. Yes or no? So that means if a body is increasing its velocity, then the acceleration will be positive. Clear? If a body increasing its velocity, then its acceleration is positive. Clear? Am I clear or not? Suppose now negative acceleration. A is V minus U by T. If V is less than U, then implies that A is negative. Clear? And this negative acceleration is called as a retardation. Negative acceleration is called as a retardation. Either you say retardation or you say negative acceleration. Meaning is same, and it is denoted by minus A. Clear? Understood? Okay, minus A means negative retardation. And acceleration is a scalar quantity. Sorry, mistake. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Yes or no? It has also direction. Acceleration is a vector quantity, already from you know from earlier classes. Clear? Okay.